Hello. Have you ever done the vinegar and baking soda volcano? Who hasn't? Here's a little something that's a little more fun to do with vinegar and baking soda and fire. So we have a candle here and a beaker. I have this container. I'm gonna put some vinegar in it. There's some vinegar. Didn't have much vinegar anyway. Boy, I hope this works the first time. There isn't going to be a second time, apparently. Now, I got some baking soda. Now, when you mix vinegar and baking soda, everybody knows you get bubbles. But what are those bubbles? Well, the bubbles are carbon dioxide. And by keeping the lid on this, I'm keeping the carbon dioxide inside. So there are the bubbles go down. Now, normal air is made up of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen has a molar mass of 14. Oxygen has a molar mass of 16. Carbon dioxide has a molar mass of 42. Makes it much heavier than regular air. And so until all this diffuses into the air, it's going to want to hang around low. So I'm going to pour it out into the beaker and show you what happens. Oh, I got the lid on backwards. Oh well. So we're just pouring it out. You pour the carbon dioxide in the beaker and the fire goes out because that's not oxygen. You fill the beaker up with carbon dioxide and we can relight it. Let's see if I have enough left in the container to do it again. Pour it out. And notice no liquid's pouring out, it's just the gas. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.